This is Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning, long weekend, and it's time to go back to work. So as usual, we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. And remember, the API report will not be out until Wednesday at 4:30, and then the EIA report will be out on Thursday at 11 a.m. for crude and 10:30 a.m. For Nat Gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, we had a really, really good run up here, all the way on up here until we topped out right here, sitting at 84.89. Came right on down here, but you notice that it held this key level I've been pointing out, 77.33, okay? The low on that was 77.59, and then ripped up really, really nice right into the Labor Day weekend. Now, so far today, we just have like an inside day here. So this is where you're looking at for support levels, okay? So you want to look here at that 84.89, and then we come over here on this candle here, you're looking at 84.65. Then we have 83.81, and then come to this candle here, you have 83.69, and then we just follow these candles all the way down, 83.20. You have 82.91, and then we want to start looking at your key support levels here, which would be your 8-day, okay? So you're looking at 82.12, and then we're looking here at 81.64. Now, you can see when the price gets above this 8 SMA here, see, it just rides all the way up. Once it loses it and that price goes below, then the price is like it's fighting it all the way on up here. Now, what we have here, though, is your 8-day curl up really nice here, and it's above the 21-day. So as this 8-day moves up, if this price comes down, and as the 8-day moves up and it holds, then this price can go very much higher, okay? If you lose this 8 SMA here or this 21-day, then we start coming, you're going to come down and retest this, okay? But let's not worry about that right today. This is key support here. Just watch right now here, this 84.89 here on a closing basis. Okay, let's take a look here on the upside. Well, what do we have here? Okay, so you have 85.82. Your current price right now is 85.35. So that is going to be resistance. And then we have your 86.14 here, which is your retest here. And then we have your 21-day here sitting at 86.74. That's going to be very, very key on your monthly chart. Now, your monthly chart here is looking obviously very bullish here. You're above all your key SMAs here, except for the 21. So as this 8-day curls up here, you can see how it's starting to curl up here. That is going to become very, very key support. So you always want to watch that level right there, sitting at 77.24. Now here we look on a weekly. Well, look how nice this is. Your 8 crossed above your 21, your 50-day, and she's holding up very, very nice. As I pointed out, this 83.53, this is very, very key level here of support. We went higher on this, but then you notice that it closed, if you look above, at 83.04, okay? So that was your double top, sold down, but held all this nice key support here, and then rallied right on up. So we have to see, as this 8-day rolls up here, if this happens to come down, you want to watch that 81.94 there, okay? So that's going to be very, very key level support. And then again, if that's lost, then we come down to your 50-day, you got 78.15, and then your 21 sitting at 76.14. But right now, just watch today, just watch this level here, this 84.89, to see if that can hold there on a closing basis. If not, we just follow the candlesticks down to get all your support levels until you hit this 8 SMA here or this 8 SMA right here. All right, let's take a look here at the old Nat Gas. All right, Nat Gas, what you have is your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, I've always been pointing out this candle right here. Just quick review. The low on that there was 2.479, 2.457. And then we had a lower low, but we put that green candle in there. Red dog, nice double bottom, ran up. Okay, now if you look at here, see here, 2.865. What do we have here? 2.86, double top, selling right off. Okay. Now, where are we going to go? Well, see how this is just selling right off. On the upside, nice series of higher lows, and then your double top, and then now she's selling up. And now you're below that key 200 SMA here. So now your target right here is you're looking at 2.60. So what we want to do here is ultimately we want to look here at this 2.54. Okay, that's going to be your big target here on the sell side. On the upside, you want to really you got to watch this 8 SMA here, 2.63. You got to watch your 21 day and then this key 200 SMA if you want to get this reversed here. Then you could run up to the back up to the 50 at 2.69. But right now, this off this double top, this looks lower. So now what we do is we just follow this. These become support levels as they become all the way on down here. So we want to look here at this is the big target at 2.54. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and weekly chart. Okay, your weekly chart, it was holding up here pretty good here, but now, see, this is going to be your support level right there, okay? Now that support becomes resistance, okay? So now you lost that at 2.65. That's going to be your resistance level, and on your support level, your key level here is going to be this 21 sitting at 2.52, which lines up pretty nice here on the hourly chart. Okay, let's see what we have here on your daily. Okay, what we had here, if you looked at the top of this here, 2.863, and then what do we have there? 2.865. See that? That's a double top. Okay, when you see that and it spikes up and it puts in a red candle there, that is your double top. And then we put in a lower high, down she comes. Now, all this here, instead of support, becomes resistance here now. So you want to look here at your 8 SMA here. They're all pretty clustered right there. 2.65, see 2.65, and then your 21 here is sitting at 2.68. This is all resistance here. Now, again, if you can get above that 21 day, then you look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 2.70. That's your gap. And then look to the bottom of this candle here, 2.73. That's the fill. So eventually, this gap and fill is like a magnet to a fridge. They will eventually fill this gap here, okay? However, we have to look and see where we're going to go. So now what you want to do is look to the bottom of this candle right here, okay? There's that 2.54 again. So that's what we're looking for as support. And then right underneath it, we have your 100-day at 2.49. And then we have this candle here, that's at 2.45. And then your retest is sitting at 2.42. Okay, so that's the downside. The upside, just watch these key SMAs here, and then watch this top of this candle at 2.708, and then the bottom of that candle, 2.735. That's your gap. There's your fill if you want to run up higher. Okay. Now the breakout here, you really need to get back above this candle right here at that 2.865, and then this candle right here is the key. That's 2.878. That's your key level, and then we could have a retest there of your 3.01. Again, you close above that, then right above it is sitting at 312. That's your target right there. And then if you can get above that, we look to this 50 SMA here, sitting at 3.54. But we're not going to worry about that. It needs a catalyst. But always remember, see, look at these price channels. That's why you want to put price channels on your chart. Very easy to see. You're still right inside of them here. So everything right now is still good. So you want to go scalp this until you can break either above or below. All right, I'll have more for you on the old Crude and Nat Gas here after the pit close at 2:30, and thanks for watching.